Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to deposit Notcoin to your Telegram wallet. So there's a few ways how you can do this, but before we dive into, make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So once you are on your Telegram wallet, you will see that you have your ton space and you have here your tokens like Notcoin or Tether. And if you click more assets, you will see that there is a Notcoin option. And so you can just go ahead and click on it. And from here, you can go ahead and click receive option. Here you will have your Notcoin address. As you can see, you can either send it, the Notcoin to Telegram contacts instantly and without fees, or you can buy and sell it on P2P market or exchange for other cryptocurrencies. So you can go ahead and send only Notcoin to this address, which you're seeing on your phone. Just copy the address. And for example, open up Binance. I'm just going to open up Binance, go to my wallets and click withdraw option. Now you need to search for Notcoin. Here it is. And click send via crypto network. And now all you have to do is just enter that address you just copied here. After that, just go ahead, enter the withdrawal amount, and that's basically it. This is one way how you can go ahead and receive Notcoin to your Telegram wallet. Another option would be to click add crypto, choose bank card, for example, and like so, you can buy it with your credit card, or you can also use P2P market. So P2P market would be to buy Notcoin, for example, choose crypto right there at the top, not, choose your currency which you are using, and now you're gonna choose an option how you can buy Notcoin. So these are the ways how you can go ahead and have your Notcoin. There's also an option, of course, to exchange it, for example, from Notcoin or from USDT if you have it here. And yeah, guys, that's basically it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.